Happy birthday, Lauren!
Happy birthday, Lauren! Airtime. Happy birthday, Lauren! Woo! Happy
It's in the lake.
When do you guys use the rain cover if this is not a good occasion?
No, we just remembered we had the rain cover.
Good, we wait for now. Birthday down here in Florida, our almost first year. We're first year's in August, and I would just say that this year, oh that's right, Florida. I would not have been able to do it alone. She's my best friend. We've had so much fun together. We've explored this great state and the parks, and especially during this quarantine, it's nice living with your best friend every single day. So,
Come on.
Air toast. Air toast. I was just gonna say that.